Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a new unboxing video, and today I'm going to unbox the bag called Croissant, and this one is in canvas. And if you have watched my past videos, we have it in the LV remix, and you know that I'm not a fan of it. I'm gonna make a comparison later, but for now I am going to show you how it looks like when you unbox the video, and I'll tell you my honest opinion about it. Just a quick one, if you're new to the channel, my name is Murphy, and currently as I'm recording this video, I am a sales advisor here in Louis Vuitton, Singapore, and this channel is all about Louis Vuitton products and updates and luxury brands in general. So if you're into this kind of thing, just do not forget to subscribe. Okay, so Croissant is launched in January 1st, and this is, I think, one of the first monogram bag that is in new shape that's going to be launched in 2024. I'm recording this on the 31st of January 2023, and now we are going to unbox on how it looks like when you receive it, if you manage to order it online or if you buy it from the store. Of course, it will comes with a box and you will receive it this way, and inside it there are a lot of surprises. So yeah, this is how it will look like, and when you open the zip you will see all the surprises inside. Okay, this is actually my friend Rashid who's helping me with the unboxing right now, and you see that the zip is curved. Actually, I asked him if he has difficulty in opening and closing it. It's actually very smooth, so you don't have to worry about that. It comes with this small baby croissant inside that you can use as an accessory, and of course the strap, and you also have a shoulder pad where you can put it together with this leather strap. But right now, because it may take time to put that leather pad, we're just gonna put in the strap, and it's adjustable. It's solely adjustable. You can use it as a crossbody and a shoulder carry. And there are a lot of, I think at least, I have to confirm, but 6 holes for you to adjust. So it's actually a lot of ways to wear it. And also you can use the perfect length for your crossbody bag. And so for this small baby croissant, and I just invented that word, it's not called baby croissant. You can put it on the side as an accessory. You can use it separately, and you can use, if you have a little daughter, you can use it as a matchy bag with your daughter. Yep, so this is how it is when you, this is the total look actually. Perfect. So the next one would be what fits inside. This bag is pretty small than it looks like. Unlike the on my side, it looks actually bigger in the video, but it's actually smaller in person. But this one is, because it's curved, the space is actually quite limited. But the most important thing is that you can put your phones inside. 2 phones, one Pro Max and one normal phone, and this is the space inside. You see it's almost full already. You can put a little bit more, maybe your sunglasses, your reading glasses, or your, I don't know, lip gloss and compact powder. But this is how it looks like, and that's Rashid for his exposure. So the next video is me carrying it. So I use it as a shoulder carry because I just don't like the look when it's cross-bodied. But this is how it looks like. So it's in the last hole, and this is how it looks like when it's shouldered carried. The size is just nice for me, I guess. And it's good that it's very structured, and it will keep its shape over time for sure. I really don't have much thing to say about it. This is a practical bag, I guess, and it's timeless. To tell you honestly, for me, the shape is new, but it's not very special. It's just a bag that is a new launch. Like, I would honestly suggest the side trunk PM over this, I think that one is more special. But then again, if you are a person that's looking for a timeless bag that you can pass on to generation to generation, I think this kind of style wouldn't go out of style because it's just so classic. So that's the thing I thought about it. I think if you are looking for a first bag and you don't want to go for the classic never full speedy and all the bags that people has, this is a good start. And most important is that you can fit a lot of things inside. I think most of your essential, which is your phone, your wallet, a little bit of makeup, glasses, power bank, I think, yeah, a power bank can fit inside. So yeah, the price is 4,400. I know it's 4,000 plus and it's a canvas, but then I wouldn't be surprised if all the bags that will be launching in the year 2024 will be 4,000 and above already, because that's just how it works. The price goes up every single year and sometimes month, so it's inevitable. So yeah, if I would price this, I think it would be good for 3,700 or 3,800, but it's 4,400. And I'm saying the price now of 2023, January 31. So tomorrow is going to be a different price because of the GST price increase in Singapore. So yeah, probably by the time that I upload this, the price would be different already. I will put on the description box how much is it currently in 2024, but for now I'm just saying the price is 4,400. What else can I say? Actually, I don't have much thing to say about it. I'm not a fan of this bag, but this bag is not bad as well if you like it. It's not ugly. There's nothing special about it, but it is a classic, and some people just prefer that kind of bag. And yes, just get it if you want it, and if you like it on how you see it on the video, please go to the store and try it yourself, because trying it can give you a completely different perception when it comes to bag. You have to feel it. The bag has to speak to you. Yeah, so that's all I can say about this video and about this bag, I mean. And if you haven't followed me on my Instagram and TikTok yet, just please do. I have some updates in there, but my YouTube now is my main update place for when it comes to new bag, because I can say more and I can tell you more stories about how I feel about the bag. So yeah, that's all I can say, and thank you so much for watching this video and your undying love and support to this channel, and share it to your friends and family so it can help them too. And that's all I can say. I would have to say goodbye. I have to prepare for New Year's Eve. Goodbye, and I'll see you in my next video.